testimony today in the sexual assault trial against 3 Toronto police officers focused heavily on the complainant and her accusations of being drugged. The toxicologist who took the stand today did say the accuser's blood alcohol level would not have been enough to explain the behavior and fogginess she described in her testimony, adding that a drug would explain these signs and symptoms. The woman took a blood and urine test 2 days after the alleged assaults occurred, and the results showed that there was nothing in her system. Criminal lawyer Jordan Donich, who has had a close eye on both these trials, says this is where credibility can make or break a case.
It's going to depend on what, as you put it, evidence there is, whether there was a sex kit, whether there were tox reports, and most importantly, how soon these allegations are reported. A lot of times what we see, even with some of these issues before the courts, there can be a period of time before the allegation is actually reported to police, which a lot of times means the window to capture that evidence no longer exists. So then it becomes a credibility contest and reliability contest between the complainant and the accused. Experts will be used, if they're qualified throughout the trial, but ultimately the expert's going to give an opinion based on what the evidence is and what there is, or lack of evidence. So again, most of the time these cases, turn on credibility and testimony and a holistic view of the facts.
Well, the Crown has now rested its case here at the University Avenue Courthouse against those 3 Toronto police officers. And the court has now begun hearing the defense's theory. And as we've been telling you throughout the show, one of those officers did take the stand today just briefly. He was up there less than an hour. His testimony will continue tomorrow.